Hello and welcome to this video about the Dream Chaser spacecraft. The Dream Chaser is a remarkable vehicle that has been designed to transport astronauts and cargo to and from low Earth orbit. It is being developed by Sierra Nevada Corporation, a private space company based in the United States. The Dream Chaser is a unique spacecraft in many ways. It looks like a small, winged airplane, and it can be launched into space using a variety of rockets. Once it reaches space, it can maneuver in orbit like a spacecraft, and then it can glide back to Earth and land on a runway like an airplane. Sierra Nevada Corporation has been developing the Dream Chaser for many years, and it has completed numerous tests and demonstrations to prove its capabilities. The spacecraft has even been selected by NASA to provide cargo resupply services to the International Space Station. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Dream Chaser and its capabilities. The Dream Chaser is a unique spacecraft that combines the best features of a spacecraft and an airplane. It has a compact, winged design that allows it to launch on a variety of rockets, including the Atlas V, Falcon 9, and Vulcan Centaur. The spacecraft is made of lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminium, to maximize its payload capacity. The Dream Chaser has a total length of 9.2 meters, and a wingspan of 7 meters. It has a maximum launch weight of 14,000 kilograms and can carry up to 5,500 kilograms of cargo. The spacecraft is equipped with a variety of systems to support its mission, including guidance, navigation, and control systems, communication systems, and life support systems. The spacecraft is designed to be fully autonomous, meaning that it can fly to and from the International Space Station without any human intervention. However, it can also be operated by a crew of 2 astronauts, who can monitor and control the spacecraft from inside the cabin. The Dream Chaser is designed to provide a variety of services to space agencies and commercial customers. Its primary mission is to transport cargo to and from the International Space Station, where it can deliver supplies, equipment, and experiments. The spacecraft can also be used for scientific missions, such as Earth observation and remote sensing. The Dream Chaser is capable of staying in orbit for up to 2 weeks and can perform a variety of maneuvers while in space, such as docking with the International Space Station, deploying and retrieving payloads, and conducting experiments. The spacecraft can also be used to transport astronauts to and from low Earth orbit, providing a new option for crew transportation. The Dream Chaser program has made significant progress in recent years, and the spacecraft is now on track to begin operational missions in the near future. In conclusion, the Dream Chaser is a remarkable spacecraft that combines the best features of a spacecraft and an airplane. Its partnerships with NASA and other customers ensure that the spacecraft will play a significant role in the future of space exploration. Thank you for watching this video about the Dream Chaser spacecraft. Please feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.